quick introduction here to the $25 one-up program, and actually what I'm going to show you here in just a couple of minutes is the compensation plan, compensation video to show you exactly what people are doing and what you could do if you want to make $25 or $100 or $250 a day. It's all laid out here for you in this program. People are having some great success here, and I'm excited about what's happening and feel like if you just give this a little chance, throw some money in here. It's a $10 hosting fee to get the platform, and then $25 member to member, one-time payment, 100% commissions to the members, and I think you're going to like what you see. Okay, so take a look at that compensation plan, and I'll see you on the back end of that video.
Let me introduce you to $25OneUp.com. $25 OneUp is a simple digital franchise that will provide the knowledge, the time freedom, and lifestyle changing or supplemental income that you've been waiting for. There are digital downloads, pre-written ads, headlines, email swipes, and more that have been proven to convert on demand. There are 50+ educational videos that cover everything you need to know to automate your business, which turns into leads and sales. There's no selling, no MLM, and no experience needed. The rest is an automated system in which 98% of the work is done for you. $25 OneUp has the products, system, and most of all, a global network. All you do is follow the duplicatable system and get paid. And right now, right this second, I'm going to tell you exactly how. In fact, with $25 OneUp, you get paid on the very first person you sponsor into the membership. Are you worried about nagging recurring payments and having to wait to get paid a paycheck or direct deposits from your company? With $25 OneUp, there are no monthly fees and no auto ships. Plus, you get paid directly and can receive your money however you like. Here is a breakdown of the product levels and how you get paid under the $25 OneUp system. First, there are 4 product packages that you get to keep 100% of the commissionable sales. The Gold package is $25. The Platinum package is $100, $250 for the Diamond package, and $500 for the Enterprise package. There will be a one-time $10 hosting fee for your automated website, and also an additional $25 hosting fee for Diamond and $50 for Enterprise. The Diamond and Enterprise package offer overrides in the compensation plan, but we'll get to that later. The Gold package comes with the ability to earn unlimited $25 payments, pre-written ads, and a marketing system that tracks your downline and does all the selling and telling for you. The Platinum package includes all features in the Gold package, as well as the ability to earn unlimited $100 payments, the ability to set your own third-party autoresponder, and most of all, the ability to brand yourself by setting up to 12 banner ads that promote your other streams of income. These 2 packages are sold separately. Now to our advanced level packages. The Diamond package allows you to earn $250 plus overrides and comes with all features in both the Gold and Platinum levels. You will have the ability to add your own sales video to the marketing system. There are 5 video training courses that cover list building, how to manage the digital marketing lifestyle, and more. The Enterprise package allows you to earn $500 plus overrides and comes with all the features in the lower levels, plus the ability to add up to 13 more branded videos in the back office. There are 7 more video training courses that cover how to close high-ticket sales, how to systemize your online business, and video marketing, to name a few. You will also be able to receive override commissions from your Gold, Platinum, and Diamond level members. You will only be able to earn on the package that you own, meaning if you purchase the Gold package for $25 and your prospect purchases both the Gold and Platinum packages, you will only receive the $25, and the $100 commission will be passed up to whomever is qualified. Now, the 3 ways to get paid are direct, qualifying, and override sales. Now, to understand the 3 ways you earn with $25OneUp.com, you have to know how the reverse OneUp plan works. You see, when you purchase your educational product package, you keep your very first sale and pass up your second to your sponsor. There you have it. You're qualified. Now, here's the exciting part. Not only do you get 100% of every sale you make after your qualification sale, you also get 100% of each new business partner's qualifying sales. For the sake of illustration, Imagine that you sell 5 gold packages your first week at $25. Week 1, you get your 5. You pass one of them to your sponsor. You keep 4. So 4 times $25 equals $100. Week 2, your 4 get their 5. Each person has to pass up one person to you for a total of 8. So that's a grand total of 8 times $25, which equals $200 in total income earned. Week 3, your 4 get their 5. One each is passed up to you for a total of 12. So 12 times $25 equals $300 in total income. Week 4, those new 4 get their qualifying sale and gives you a total of 16. So 16 times $25 equals $400 in your first month. Remember, you only invited 5 people. This is life-changing income and the power of the Reverse One-Up Comp Plan. You're actually in profit by your second sign-up. That example didn't include the Platinum, Diamond, nor Enterprise levels, which is also powered by the Reverse One-Up Plan. Can you imagine daily payments of $500 and you never spoke to them? As a bonus, the Diamond and Enterprise package will be fully qualified on both the Gold and Platinum. You'll learn more about how the overrides work once you get on the inside. To get started earning daily payments, you need a computer with internet connection or a smartphone and at least $35 one time. You'll get all the training and resources to generate leads and sales in any business. But here you are on the last step of the process, watching this presentation right now that has been proven to convert thousands of people just like you into a brand new $25 one-up partner. Once you make that decision, then a world of possibilities opens up for you. Listen, you already see how effective our sales system is because you're experiencing it right now. This is your golden opportunity to finally be your own boss. Obtain the extra income and wealth you need in order to experience the time and freedom you desire. You have a choice. You could join today and start sending people through this exact same sales funnel. Or you can start making excuses and telling yourself you need to do more research. How many times have you told yourself that before? Remember those feelings of wanting more out of life? Wanting to live life on your terms? Well, now is the time to take massive action and finally take control of your life and your finances, or you're going to keep procrastinating. If you simply follow this step-by-step system, you'll gain success. Click the button below this video to create your account. We will see you on the inside.
So there you have it. We're showing you the compensation plan, exactly what it takes for you to make those $25, $100, $250 payments, $500, whatever you are comfortable in joining and getting started. You can throw this out there again on your social media accounts, your email marketing list, your Facebook, Instagram, your YouTube channel, whatever it is that you choose to market and promote yourself. This program is bringing in people. People are loving the training in the background. There's some pretty good stuff in here. And I want to show you another program that we are using. I'm going to jump over here and show you right now for your email marketing, for your landing pages, lead capture pages. We've got a program here that you can join for free. And John has put it in the back office. He's put in the $25 one-up. It's right here under step 1. Just follow these steps, get in here, make your own capture pages. I want to show you exactly what you can do here. You can just come over here, put in your own information, make your capture pages. I've got to make one here for 25 one-up, but they've got some decent capture pages on their own. But you can simply do that by coming here, creating your own capture pages, bridge page. You've got share codes, so if you want to build a team, this is just another tool for you to use to help you to promote the $25 one-up. Okay, it's working. People are getting leads. People are getting leads into Lead Page Plus, and we just want to give you tools and give you the resources. Again, bring in that $25 a day, that $100 a day. You know, let's change your life. We are all looking for that life-changing income. So you just jump in here. If you've got any questions, contact me on Facebook. Let me know why you're contacting me, so I'll be paying attention to that. And I look forward to speaking to you soon, and you have a great day.